आ रही थी वेट करने क्यों बोल
Look here, ma'am. This side.
Ma'am on center. Ma'am here please. Balaji यहाँ पे.
Balaji इधर. करो मैम इधर.
Ma'am here. Ma'am इधर.
बस
सामने 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 सामने. Guys. हाँ रुको सामने. जाओ ना. मैम सर किस साइड.
साइड से
करो मैम एक सोलो करो मैम. करो जी. एक सोलो आपका. नहीं हुआ नहीं. करो मैम इधर देखिए मैम. थैंक यू.
quite a kitchen food pitching today. What do you have to say, experiencing the new cutlet experience? So I have a Kuche kitchen already, which you see in my YouTube vlogs, but I think it's always nice to upgrade, and they've coming out with some fantastic new designs. And I'm I love spending time in the kitchen, and I love home decor and all sorts of things. So आना तो बनता है.
When it comes to decor, personally, what sort of setup do you like? We just saw there's a vintage collection also, which is
So we are doing the vintage collection in the kitchen now. You'll see it, I think, as my channel grows. But the rest of my house is pretty modern. But I thought it's nice to have the kitchen little and the vintage is also in style right now. So it's actually modern only.
if you have any fun on today or today, what do you have to say?
First of all, thanking to her. Secondly, so stainless steel kitchens in vintage collection highlighted and showcased with Farah ma'am. That would be the best thing.
I think the best thing about that is that the front is vintage, and when you open it, it's really like new age.
Yes.
Stainless steel, no need of no cockroaches, no wood rotting, no the usual things that Indian kitchens suffer from.
So when we met Farah ma'am, she had only one thing in mind: wear and tear, durability and hygiene. I have to have that thing in my kitchen because she was very clear about hygiene, and she wanted something that can be used by the maid. As you see Dilip continuously banging the doors and hanging on to things, still the kitchen is not damaged just because it's Kusha 7 stainless steel kitchen. And that too we are upgrading it with a vintage look, one of its kind in the world right now. That would be showcased in the initial days with Farah ma'am.
So when do we get to see that?
As soon as they are ready, I'm training them how to do it faster.
Yes.
And definitely you'll see it, I think, by next month in the vlogs when Dilip gets back from the gaon.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
एक सवाल है कि आपके फैन सबसे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि माई मुन्ना जिस तरह सोशल मीडिया पर चल रहा है, कब तक साथ के साथ अब काम करते रहेंगे.
अरे मैं भी बहुत क्या बोला आपने, बेताब हूँ. मैं भी बहुत बेताब हूँ.
आप जब चले सिटी को पूरा क्या किचन सेटअप लगेगा आपको पिक्चर में कहीं की सरकार किचन सेटअप.
वो किचन में इतने फेमस है तो कहीं ना कहीं किचन तो डिमांड आएगा ही.
हाँ, घर का सीन होगा, किचन लगेगा, बट थोड़ा वियर्ड क्वेश्चन दिस वन.
शी इज़ द डायरेक्टर बाय सेल्फ, वो स्क्रिप्ट में डाल सकते हैं.
इस कंपनी का
बॉलीवुड में मतलब किसके घर पे, अरे सबके, मैं जब जाती हूँ, पीपल हैव लवली किचन एंड दे आर एवरी किचन इज़ यूनिक टू दैट पर्सन's पर्सनैलिटी. कुछ लोग बहुत खाना बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं बनाते हैं, तो सबका किचन आई थिंक इज़ द हार्ट ऑफ द हाउस. सो I have to go there actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
So you were talking about Kushi's USP, how did the brand begin? What was the journey?
So simple as that. Every home should be having an hygienic, durable, and eco-friendly subject. And kitchen is the heart of home where hygiene is very much required. When you call upon the wooden kitchens, this mindset has come to me. When seeing a wooden kitchen and the kind of disturbance happening in wooden kitchens, Mumbai or India basically we can say, having too many coastal areas. So the termite is a major issue. Health is a major issue with the kitchen that we are having our utensils, having all insects and pesticides. So the same thing which a commercial restaurant or 5-star hotel having a kitchen of stainless steel. Wear and tear, durability, hygiene is required there. Same way things have been incorporated by us so that the residential kitchen can be used in stainless steel with the same look and feel that they want. So this is all the subject, getting convinced with the product. Vintage.
That's a very, very interesting term. Tell us about it.
So as we are selling stainless steel kitchens, we have 23 stores across India. So there was a huge requirement that we don't want a flat thing. We need the thing which the wooden can do. There's a colonial and a vintage look can be developed. So this has taken us 2 years of innovation and R&D to develop the vintage finish. And that vintage finish is now capturing the 30% of the business for us.
What are the future plans? Where do we travel in India? How many more stores?
So future plan is basically we are the first only Indian brand to get its footsteps in international market. So we have our Dubai store coming up. We have our own store coming up in Milan. These are the kind of basic future plans that we have. In India, we are there with 23 outlets and one of its kind everywhere. And we are having 10 more in pipeline. That's the only plan for India right now. But international, taking a brand which can be a statement for the Indian manufacturers as an international player. So we are the manufacturer, Kusha 7. We are a brand, Kusha 7. And we are going international very soon. That's the future plan.
What is the message for the audience who are looking at transforming their kitchens to a kitchen?
For the audience and for the people, whoever wants to have a kitchen with hygiene, with a durability, and let their maid bang it day and night, please come and visit Kusha 7. Across India, we have every city available with Kusha 7.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you guys.
Just do visuals.
यहाँ पे राइट सेंटर डाल
Yes, yes. Thank you.
थैंक यू
Sandarwa. Shankar ji.
इधर हो गया लुक हियर थैंक यू लुक हियर सर लुक हियर सर लुक हियर Excuse me, sir. One year solo.
Done. Whatever.
Coming New Year for Kusha 7 launch today where they have their vintage collection and it's a brilliant store with Indian brand going international. What do you have to say?
It's a wonderful collection. First and foremost thing, I would like to wish congratulations to Naeem and Farah for this wonderful launch of a store here in Bombay. I think the way they say, it's a beautiful store with the unique steel what they use in making this kitchen units altogether, because we use wood in India most of the time, but this stainless steel element would save lot many trees. Point number one. Point number two, all the hassles of termite treatment, fungus, mold, all those things, the stress what we as consumers or when we have our kitchens have to go through, that will be reduced. With this kind of concept, they use specialized steel. It's sterilized steel, almost food grade. I'm not an expert to say this whether it's a food grade or not, but it's almost sterilized steel. What they use is the highest quality of steel. I went through the whole product presentation, went through, I had my set of questions, I got answered. It's a lovely concept, and I wish them all the best for the future. And such products would do brilliant in coastal India, because India is most of a peninsular region wherein the humidity levels are very high. Such concepts would really work and help the consumers as well as the environment.
So here for Waves, something else experience with
Waves is something what Government of India has come up with, wherein the cinema from the villages, from the cities, from the urbans, from every part and corner of India will be connecting with the world, and the world cinema indirectly will be connecting to us. It's a great platform for content creators to connect with the international industry. As we all know that we are the biggest content consumers in the world, and now is an opportunity that we have a lot of stories also within our villages. Every galla mohalla will be able to present it across the world.
we have a synergy with forming Kushe, because that's also going back to your roots where stainless steel was really in.
See, apart from being a filmmaker, I'm also a realtor. I'm into real estate, so I know what exactly this synergy could take me. Kulche, Waves, and myself, it's a total different synergy altogether to be connected here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.